Alexa.
Is that what you want? Let's stop at Forest Hills.
No, Queen's Plaza for them.
Let's stop at Forest Hill.
This is not going to Plaza. That's the other side. The Queen's Plaza.
Is there a line
No.
there?
That I'm not though. This is going to Queen's Plaza, but this is going to Manhattan.
Let's go with the Republic.
I wanted to take the J.
Okay. You're calling back, you want to take the J?
Yeah, on the M. We just take the office, or we take the M from here to J.
So which one do you think is? Let's take the this one to the M, then M. Oh no, this one to the J. J to the M.
Wait, doesn't this one go to the J?
Which one?
This one.
Which one is this one?
The E.
Huh?
The E.
Yeah, because to that's to Jamaica.
That's out of the way though, right?
Oh, you can take it. You can take it.
Okay.
From Jamaica. We would transfer from
This.
Forest to go. Where?
This one going to World Trade Center, but no. It's going to this.
Time.